Welcome back to 4All Cycle Performance. Here we are with our Gen 3 Hayabusa, just fitting our race bodywork. And a big shout out to I1 Moto for getting these here so quickly. The bodywork is perfect and very high quality. Catalyst Racing is, of course, who it's actually was originally made through. But we can't fit it exactly because we're still on a headstand and it needs to pivot down just an inch or so before we can drill our holes and get this all aligned and put our defus clips in the sides. So you can see how it kind of top slides over the lower, and then you drill through, put your defus connectors. So there's no tools required to take this off and on at the racetrack other than the bolts that would be here, and then the bolts here for the front, which go to the upper stay. But we still have our tail. We haven't fitted our tail yet. We'll be doing that tomorrow. Still waiting on some parts, but it's coming along, and I'm hoping to hit the racetrack here within another month or so with this Busa. Stay tuned, and as always, give us a call if you need anything. There's our number.